Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of T. Christensen. We're gonna talk about the Milwaukee Zoo again. This time we have some other people doing it. I want Camel to sleep right now. So today we're gonna have. We had Drag the last video. That Drag doing here. So this video we're gonna have Red Power Ranger. We're gonna have a Red Power Ranger and a policeman to do it this time. Okay, come on in, guys.
Hi guys. We're gonna talk about the Milwaukee Zoo video. As you know, there are gonna be people in that video. Oh, but as you can see, dang, we fell down. So as you can see, the karate master's back there.
Get back. Hi-ya! Can't believe he's in karate. That's pretty cool.
Cool. Hi-ya. Hi-ya.
You guys are gonna talk about the Milwaukee Zoo video in this one. Alright, guys. I gotta get a nap in. So, also in this video, we're gonna have Drag and stuff in it.
Hi guys.
So, right now we're gonna have. Right now we have the policeman and the Red Power Ranger doing it right now.
Hi guys. So in this video, we're gonna have a lot of cool stuff in here. I just saw the one first cool stuff was Elfie and Camel started it again. Once again, Elfie and Camel started it. That's kind of cool. If you guys think it is, leave in the comments below if you think it's cool or not. Please say yes if you do. Please like, comment, subscribe to this video. Oh, Elfie just fell asleep. He'll wake up in the next video. So we are going to so they're, as I said, they're gonna be in that video, in the Milwaukee Zoo video. Also they also are kind of busy today on the Milwaukee Zoo video. They're planning it, scheduling it from the calendar and stuff. As I said, please have it by the 26th of July. If you guys didn't see that earlier, I wanted to show you the calendar. Okay, roll video camera, next person. Have a great day, everyone.
Yeah, get your eye on the video.
Hi guys. As you can see, I'm in this video too. So let's get started. So just so you know, should I right there? As you can see, I'm so tired. As you can see, he's still sleeping right now. So yeah, you can see he's sleeping back there. Alright, back. So as you know, in this video, oh yeah, get out of here. Sorry, I'm just pretty mad. Yeah, stop. Alright guys, that's enough. Break it up. Go over there now. Get your batoots over there. Aww. Hi guys, it's me, Drag. I can't wait for the Milwaukee Zoo video. I was from Milwaukee. Did you know that?
Yeah, he was from Milwaukee.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah, he was from Milwaukee Zoo. So, and I was also from Milwaukee Zoo. Well, technically, I was born in Milwaukee Zoo, but then I was shipped to the new zoo. That's people call it the Green Bay Zoo and stuff. And then my baby zebra, and the daddy zebra is from Milwaukee Zoo, and the baby zebra was from the Wallace Zoo or the Young Zoo. So, if you're a kid watching this, you probably heard the Young Zoo. But if you're an adult, you know it's the Young Zoo and the Wallace Zoo. So, if your kids are the Milwaukee Zoo video is gonna be epic. Oh, there's a monster.
We'll give you some camera in a minute.
Okay, there's a monster
That big as D.
yeah, we saw that huge monster, as you guys saw. So the Milwaukee Zoo video is gonna be amazing. We're gonna do it in Wisconsin. So yeah. As we're doing this, the monster!
I knocked him over, sorry.
You killed him! You will die someday! Alright, so, that was our stepdad. That was Trevor's stepdad. He was monster in the video. Alright, so please like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you think about that monster video. Have a great day, everyone!